bag. I was just trying to rip it off. Honestly, don't remember what I got. Hey you guys! Okay, now this one is my first ever Boohoo video. Like, first ever. Never did one. I did order from them once though, like 3 years ago, I think, or something. Because I needed occasional dresses and I love those. I don't know why I never ordered more from them for some reason. I have no clue. Anyways, here we are. So I got some things from Boohoo. It's big and heavy bag. I don't really remember what I got, but I guess we shall see soon. So without any further ado, let's open this up. But this is pretty much new to me. Like, I ordered only once a couple of years ago. Okay, which way should we go? Just trying to rip it off. Honestly, don't remember what I got. I'm pretty sure it's more like a loungewear thing, because I'm gonna tell you, I don't really have much of a loungewear clothes, like, you know, tracksuit bottoms or leggings or anything like this, because I don't really normally wear anything like that. But as long as I'm still sitting at home, and probably we're gonna be all stuck for longer, so you know, I thought, why not to get some things. Okay, here we go. So first item that we got is oversized basic joggers, a black in size S. I'm surprised I didn't took in size XS, because usually this is what I get, but I don't know, maybe XS wasn't available, or I don't know. Anyways, let's just open up and see what we got. Oh, I like it so far. I think size S is just perfect. So it's a basic black joggers. It has this elastic band that's supposed to go on the waist. It looks like it's high-waisted. I'm gonna try it on and we're gonna see. But so far it looks like it's high-waisted. And then it has this elastic bands on the ankle part as well. Looks really well made, but it's very thin, so it's good if it's, you know, quite warm but then not warm enough to wear like a shorts or something, or you just want to wear trousers. Because material, I'm gonna show this on the camera. I'm not sure if you guys can see, you know, like some joggers or even hoodies has like a fleece material inside, so it's like really warm. This is not a case of these joggers. I really do like it. Yeah, so these are definitely high-waisted joggers. This is what I exactly wanted. It doesn't have any pockets on the sides though. It's just your basic like high-waisted oversized joggers. I took in a size S and it fits perfectly. I really like it, actually. Like, really like it. I think it looks lovely. What do you guys think? And I like that it's not super thick material, because it's getting really warm now. So this is just perfect for like everyday loungewear. Material itself feels really good. It doesn't feel like, you know, cheap material when you can get. That makes any sense. So yeah, material feels good. Like the stitching, everything is proper made. Can't complain, can't fault it in any way so far. Definitely will be wearing it. Happy about my purchase. Alright, so another thing that I got. It looks so tiny in the pack though. This is the basic spaghetti strap bodysuit in color camel, size 6. I just wanted like a basic skin color, like nude toned bodysuit. Like, I love bodysuits. I'm wearing this one. This is from my recent Shein haul. First one ever that I did. I'm gonna link it in here so you guys can check it out. Yeah, I'm obsessed with bodies. So I took this one in a size 6 in the color camel, because I thought this would match me the most. When it has a nude shade, I don't like when it's too light. I prefer like a bit darker shades. So the color camel, I thought, is just perfect. Size 6 is just perfect for me. I love the spaghetti stripes. I love it's very stretchy. Like, material itself is very stretchy. So the best thing what I like about this bodysuit, that it's not all like full on one piece. It has this like adjustable, I mean, it has this clips in here. So if you need to go to the loo, you can just, you know, pop it off and then pop back on again. So you don't need to take whole bodysuit off like you would do with a play suit. This is just perfection, I think. Really love this, and size 6 is just perfect. So if you're anything like me, size 6 should suit you too. This reminds me actually Kim Kardashian's Skims a lot, you know, because she has so many like similar pieces to this. So that might be Boohoo's version, KKW's Skims. Who knows? Because they had a lot of pieces similar to Skims, actually, if you guys want to check those out. Alright, another piece I got is another pair of joggers. I want 2 pairs of joggers. I don't even remember, but anyway, so I got basic soft mix and match lounge joggers in color petrol. There you go. Oh, so these are more like a navy color joggers. I remember when I was ordering, but because I was checking for joggers that would be high-waisted because I prefer high-waisted trousers in general, and these, even before trying on, I see it's gonna be like proper high-waisted. The only thing that I'm disappointed, I thought this, you know, string in here is not for decoration like online in the pictures. I thought it's for proper adjusting the waist so you can make it tighter if you wish. It has this elastic in here, and then these joggers are like basic because it says basic mix and match. So on the ankles it's just like a elastic material around. There's no elastic band going on like in previous joggers, so I'm not sure which ones I like more, but these joggers has pockets. So this is the part I like. Once again, material is exactly the same though. It's not that, you know, like you get sometimes fluffy like a fleece material inside the joggers or hoodies, so it's not that case. It's more on the thinner side, but it's not like super thin. It will still keep you warm. So yeah, love these joggers so far. Definitely super high-waisted, as you guys can see. A bit disappointed about this strings on the waist because I thought it's gonna be, you know, proper adjustable ones and not just a decoration. Love the pockets. Alright, so another item I got in here is thick black. I don't know why I took everything in like black and navy and dark colors. So honestly, I have no idea. Okay, so in here we have, oh, a hoodie. Okay, so I got the basic oversized hoodie in a black color in size M. Why did I size M? Oh, I know. So I took in size M. Now I remember, because I wanted this hoodie to be like properly oversized. I do this actually normally, like if I want the hoodie to be properly oversized. I even take my husband's hoodie. Sometimes I buy it from like men's section, so it's like proper oversized, and go for size like XL or something. So I took from women's section. This is like a ladies hoodie, but in the size M, and it's supposed to be already oversized, so it's gonna be proper like oversized for me. Really like it because I wanted the sleeves to be longer and like super cozy, and in general I want it to be like more oversized. So this hoodie obviously has a hood and like strings that actually adjust the hoodie, which is what I wanted. It has this like kangaroo pocket in here as well in the middle. Like your basic hoodie material itself is really nice. It's nicely made, like the stitching and everything. And this hoodie has this fleece part. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, like I was talking about before about these joggers, but it doesn't have this part, but this hoodie actually has it, so it's super warm and cozy. I'm like super happy because this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted oversized, like bigger black hoodie that would be super comfy and cozy and warm. So extremely happy about this, honestly guys. I got one more thing in here. This is actually not for me, this is for my hubby. I got him a pair of joggers as well. So these are basic skinny fit joggers in black for men in size L. The reason is once again because like me and my hubby, we don't really have joggers. We don't really ever wear that kind of thing. Yeah, I got for him a pair so he can have it at home. These joggers actually has this like material is completely different from the joggers I got for myself because it's proper thick and warm. It has this fleece like warmer material, you know, like fluffiness inside. Not like my joggers that I got, that material is like thin. It's nice material, it's nice to touch. It's not like super synthetic, if that makes any sense. Like it's nice material, but it's not like this. It's not super warm and like fluffy. It's actually looking very nice. I really like these joggers. I kind of regret instead of these navy ones like dark blue joggers for not getting these from men's section just in a size like XS, because I really like this elastic part that's going on in here, and these strings are actually adjustable for a waist. This is what I wanted on this dark blue joggers. This is what I thought it's gonna have, and the part on the ankles has this more like a tighter material on, so it's gonna go nicely on. Yeah, really like the joggers. I might be stealing from him. I mean, it's gonna be far too big for me because it's not men's size L, but hey. Yeah, so that's all I got. I didn't got too many things. I don't know why. Oh, I can tell you why. Because loads of things when I was checking on, actually some like pretty dresses or anything, didn't have my size. So that was a little bit disappointing because I was about to get like quite a few nice things. I even put in my basket, and by the time I wanted to pay, the item wasn't available anymore. So I was like, oh, you know. But yeah, you win, you lose. I like what I got in this mini BOOHOO Try On haul, except of his navy joggers, because I'm not too keen on those. But other than that, it's definitely a win. To be honest, don't really shop online much because I do like to feel the material and like to touch it and to try it on before I get it. But as stores are still not open and online shopping is the only way, but I'm gonna give it a go, and yeah, this is what I got. So what do you guys think? Do you shop from BOOHOO? Do you have anything from them at all? Do you like like the brand, the quality of the clothes or anything, because this is literally my second time. I'm kind of happy with what I got, so I can't complain. And yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what's your favorite online stores so I can check those out as well. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, you guys.